Good morning, this is All India Radio and I am Diksha Soni with the morning news. The headlines: 2 people killed, 20 injured in shooting at Miami concert. New coronavirus variant detected in Vietnam spreads quickly by air. Bangladesh extends land border closure with India till June 14. PM Modi says India is fighting COVID with all its might and will emerge victorious against second wave also. Centre says nearly 12 crore doses of vaccines will be available in June for national COVID vaccination program. Punjab government nominates higher official for STF constituted to monitor progress of Udan scheme. Chhattisgarh government to provide rupees 5 lakh assistance to kin of media persons who died of COVID-19. In sports, UAE to host reminder IPL 2021 tournament in September-October. Now, the news in detail. In US, 2 people were killed and at least 20 injured today when a gang of 3 shot indiscriminately into a crowd outside a concert in Miami, Florida. According to local police, the mass shooting happened during the early hours at a billiards hall on a commercial estate near Miami Gardens. Authorities in Vietnam have detected a new coronavirus variant that is a combination of the Indian and UK COVID-19 variants and spreads quickly by air. Vietnam's health minister said that the new variant is an Indian variant with mutations that originally belonged to the UK and it is very dangerous. Bangladesh has announced extension of the land border closure with India for 2 more weeks till June 14 in the view of the ongoing COVID situation. However, the movement of the cargo between the two countries will remain unaffected. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India is fighting COVID-19 with all its might and will emerge victorious against the second wave of pandemic also. In his Mann Ki Baat program, Mr. Modi said the nation's resolve to prevail over the virus is equal to the magnitude of the challenge it faces. The centre has said that nearly 12 crore doses of vaccines will be available in June this year for the national COVID vaccination program. The health ministry said that more than 6 crore 9 lakh doses of COVID vaccines will be supplied to the states and UTs for vaccination of priority groups of healthcare workers, frontline workers and persons aged of 45 years and above as free supply from the Government of India. Punjab government has nominated the higher officials for the state task force constituted to monitor the overall progress of newly launched Udan scheme aimed at providing free of cost sanitary pads to needy women and girls of the state. Chhattisgarh government has decided to provide financial assistance of 5 lakh rupees to the dependents of media persons who died due to COVID-19. This assistance will be given under the Media Representative Welfare Assistance rules. The Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) has announced that the remaining matches of Indian Premier League 2021 will be played in the United Arab Emirates in September-October this year. In a statement, BCCI General Secretary Jay Shah said due to the monsoon season in India in September-October, special general meeting of the board has decided to play the remaining IPL matches in UAE just before the T20 World Cup. And with that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.